Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy HOT. So to buy HOT you first have to sign up to a crypto exchange. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy HOT using BitTrue. So I really like BitTrue because they are so simple to use and they have low fees, and they also have rewarded tasks that give you free cryptocurrencies. So that's awesome. So to buy HOT, I'm going to show you. We can't buy excuse me. You can't buy hot straight up. You first have to buy either Bitcoin, XRP, or Ethereum, and then then you need to trade one of those digital assets to buy HOT. If it sounds complicated, don't worry, it's an easy process. So the first thing we need to do before we can buy HOT, we have to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP, so we can trade it to HOT, like you can see here. Okay, so you first have to obviously sign up to BitTrue, and after that you go to home. Excuse me, you go to home, then you go to credit card, and here you can select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. You can select the currency that you want used when buying the Bitcoin, and here when you click the Bitcoin icon you can select what currency you want to buy. Like you can see here, you can see HOT token here, so that's why we have to use either BTC, Ethereum, or XRP to buy it. In this case I'm going with Bitcoin. Like you can see here, it takes about 10 to 30 minutes for the Bitcoin to reach your wallet, and there are some lows, but not lows, there are some fees, but they are low. And after that just click buy BTC, and after that in about 10 minutes when you go back to assets, boom, you can see the BTC right here. Now all you have to do to trade that BTC into HOT, you go to market, then you click the magnifying glass and type in HOT. So here you can see HOT/BTC, so that is Bitcoin pairing. So we are going to select that because we just bought Bitcoin, and now we're going to trade our Bitcoin for HOT tokens. So now click buy. Here you can execute the trade. So basically this means that if you select 100 here, you will sell all of your or trade all of your Bitcoins to HOT. But if you select like 50 here, you will sell 50% of your BTC to HOT token. So you can select how much you want to trade. But anyway, after that you click just buy HOT, and then the trade executes in about few seconds. And then when you go back to assets, boom, you can see your HOT token here. Now I really recommend, buying an offline wallet because they are extremely cheap and easy to use, and they don't cost a lot. Like, there's no really a reason why you shouldn't have one. So if you still haven't bought an offline wallet to start your cryptocurrencies and digital assets, click the link in description called Ledger Wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.